Welcome to my multi part series of Why Women Should Strength Train. Part 1, Bone Health. See, when you think about bones, you might think, oh, bones are this lifeless, rigid, chalk like structures, right? But your bone is actually a living connective tissue and it gets remodeled throughout your life. Your body will replace old and damaged bones with fresh and strong bones. इस रीमॉडलिंग की प्रोसेस में 3 तरह के सेल्स हेल्प करते हैं. ऑस्टियोब्लास्ट, विच इज़ योर कंस्ट्रक्शन क्रू, दे ले डाउन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू बोन सेल्स. योर डिमोलिशन क्रू, जिसका काम है ओल्ड और डैमेज बोन्स को हटाना. एंड देन ऑस्टियोसाइट्स, विच कीप्स अ बैलेंस बिटवीन दिस कंस्ट्रक्शन क्रू एंड डिमोलिशन क्रू. सो फीमेल्स में जो पीक बोन मिनरल डेंसिटी होती है, ये बिटवीन एजेस 25 एंड 30 रीच हो जाती है. लेकिन एज 30 के बाद योर बोन्स विल स्टार्ट लूजिंग इट्स बोन मिनरल डेंसिटी, बट द रेट इज मच स्लोअर बिटवीन 30 and 40. But when you get to that perimenopause, I'm talking about anywhere between late 30s to late 40s, this is when your estrogen will start fluctuating, which is a hormone that keeps that demolition crew in check. अब एस्ट्रोजन फ्लक्चुएट कर रहा है, सो दैट डिमोलिशन क्रू विल स्टार्ट टेकिंग ओवर and you can actually lose anywhere between 1 to 3% of your bone mineral density in perimenopause. So it's happening, but it's not obvious. You won't realize it. But what happens when you get to that menopause in your 50s? This speed will increase anywhere between 15 to 20%. That's a big loss in your bone mineral density, right? इस स्टेज को बोलते हैं ऑस्टियोपीनिया, एंड इफ इट कीप्स कंटिन्यूइंग it will lead to osteoporosis, where your bones will actually become porous and brittle, so that if you experience a fall, you might get a fracture, which mostly happens around your spine, your wrist, and your hips. So how can strength training prevent that? See, when you lift weights, because आपके muscles bone में attach होते हैं आपकी body में, so when you're lifting that weight, it's sending a signal to that construction crew in your bones to strengthen your bones by increasing the absorption of calcium and phosphorus. And literature में पाया गया है कि regular strength training can actually strengthen your bones by 1 to 3% annually. That's a big gain, and that's one of the most important reasons why women needs to focus on bone health by doing strength training. Now, like and forward this to all your fellow female friends who thinks it's too late to start weight training.